This is Mission Control Houston. American students who are working with other students as far away as Finland will soon be watching astronauts conduct their 17 experiments on board the International Space Station. These studies looking at everything from protein crystals to plant growth, all the way to space radiation. Students devised the experiments, built the hardware, and watched as the experiment launched on the recent orbital ATK cargo mission. NASA commentator Lori Meggs spoke with their school sponsor about the experiments.
We have all kinds of experiments. We have from protein crystallization experiments without refrigeration. We have plant pathology. We actually inject plants to make sure that they're basically immune to disease. We have Geiger counters that measure radiation. We have plating experiments. We're actually plating silver in space. We actually have 6 from our school, 1 from our junior high, and the remaining from other partner schools, a total of 9 other schools, all the way from San Diego to Finland.
So what's it like for high school students to be building something for space and testing something in space?
Oh, it's very unique in today's environment. The students don't normally get an opportunity to actually use their hands. They learn math, they learn science of all kinds, but never get to apply it. Here's an opportunity for the students to actually apply as a team, as a goal, and to do all this in a period of 9 months of the school year. We actually have 7th graders who are able to build these experiments, select the experiment, build the experiment, test the experiment, send it to space, and return and give a report on it before they go on vacation.
That's wild. So you've had some successes.
Yes, so far we've had 36 until these 17, yes.
And what was that like? They came back, they found results?
What we do is we get real-time data from the space station. The students analyze this based on their hypotheses and make sure that they actually get what they expect or not. If they don't get that, also, which is normally the case, because in space, obviously, there's no up and there's no down. So you consequently get some very, very strange results. Especially the junior hires, they come up with some phenomenal experiments you would never think that a junior hire would be able to do. And with the results of that, sometimes they're kind of mind-boggling.
Why, for you personally, is this important?
It's because it's an opportunity to give back. My dad, before he passed away, had all these lists for things for me to do, and I've done them all, except the last and most important thing is whatever you've learned, either naturally, by your abilities, or what you've learned in life, give back to society. And there's 4 of us that are doing this at Valley Christian High School right now. We're donating our time and effort to get the kids into space.
What's the reaction been from the students?
And one important thing that they said to me is our experiments could be gone, but our learning experience is still here. It's in our hearts. It's in our minds.